communication and culture. 1. Listen to 2 exchanges. Are the speakers for or against bringing extinct species back to life?
1.
Reviving extinct species? Well, why not? We pushed many plant and animal species into extinction, so we should be responsible for bringing them back to life. It's only fair that we should undo the damage that has been done to nature. What's your opinion, Nam?
You might be right, Van, but I think some species could bring back deadly diseases to our world if they were revived, so I'd say no to this idea. 2.
Scientists say they're trying to bring extinct species like dinosaurs or mammoths back to life. What do you think, Paul?
What a silly idea. It's a waste of time and money. Why don't they dedicate their time to working out ways to cure diseases like cancer instead? Do you agree with me, Mary?
But scientists believe that if they knew how to bring species back to life, they could find ways to protect and save species in danger of extinction now. So I agree with them, not with you, Paul.